Hi, my name's Dr. Siddiqui and I'm one of the GPs at Lloyd's Pharmacy Online Doctor. I'm here to give you some advice on using online doctors, essentially how to make sure they're safe and regulations you should be aware of before using them. It's not surprising more and more of us are accessing this form of healthcare. Requesting and paying for medication online avoids waiting for a GP appointment, and there's no denying the convenience of having your medication discreetly delivered to your door or to a local pharmacy for collection. The events of 2020 and the COVID-19 pandemic have further highlighted the demand for digital healthcare. But before you try and purchase any medication online, you should be aware of these 5 things. Number 1, look for the Care Quality Commission logo, CQC. It's the independent regulator of healthcare in England. It registers, regulates, inspects and monitors providers of regulated healthcare activities. Their authorised branded logo should be visible on all web pages of the website, and that logo should link through to the specific online doctors page on the CQC website. Point 2, be aware, when you make an inquiry to a doctor, you should be given the name of the clinician dealing with your issue. And point 3, all clinicians should be registered with the relevant authority, such as General Medical Council or the General Pharmaceutical Council, and their registration number should also be given to you. Point 4, the clinician should be asking you about your condition and medical history, which can be done through various means, including an online questionnaire. And lastly, you may be asked to confirm your identity to ensure you're obtaining medicine safely in line with GPhC guidelines on remote prescribing. Keeping these points in your mind at all times when using online doctors will ensure you're making a safe request for medication. Our most recent inspection by CQC took place on 17 September 2019, and it showed the CQC rated us good overall and across the board and outstanding for the well-led section. If you want to find out more about this inspection and about online doctor regulation in general, you can visit our regulation standards and registration section of our website. Thank you for listening.